We are going to do our reading. Our reading today is going to be chapter 4 from our readers. As we go through chapter 4 today, we're also going to need out our activity notebooks, so don't put them away. We'll get out our readers in just a moment. I'm going to start with vocabulary, then I'll talk to you about your task that we'll do kind of as we read, as we focus today, and then we will start our reading. Some of it's going to be together, some of it will be independent, some of it will have guest readers today, so it'll be kind of all over the place on how we do it. Sound good? Our first word today is a word that we came across in our read aloud. Our word is refract. What is our word? Refract. If something is going to refract, the appearance, it means the appearance of light bending when it moves from one medium to another. So it's just saying when light is moving from like the air to the water or the air to another object, that light will bend or move or spread out. So when they say medium, they just more mean that object. Caitlin, please face forward. Next up, we have the word dense. What's our word? Dense. If something is dense, it's thick or heavy. So when we think about the density of something, we think about something being thicker and heavier than something else. Water is not very dense. Like the syrup you might put on your waffles, is it thicker than water? So it is more dense than water. Our next word is the word magnify. What's our word? Magnify. If we're going to magnify something, we are making it look bigger. You can also magnify sound, and you can make it sound louder as well. And the last one we have today is the word security. What is our word? Security. Security just means protection from danger, protection from something around you. Security. Go ahead and turn the page in your activity notebook so you're on page 55. Today, we are going to be focusing on the main idea and the key details again. Remember, the main idea is going to be what is the text mostly about? You need to stop. I'll wait till you're facing forward, your chair is pushed in, and you are not playing with things around you. The main idea is going to be what a text is mostly about. So we're going to be focusing on the main idea of chapter 4 today. And if we look at our graphic organizer, even just about, it says, what is the main idea? And we're going to just simply put what our main idea is. List 3 key facts or key details. Yesterday, we listed key facts and key details to go with our reading. But some of us just kind of tried to recall the information, and guess what happened? It was usually not correct. When we're using key facts and key details, that means that text evidence piece, where we need to go back into the text, find that information, and we need to write it down as we see it. Sound good? It's not a guess or remember thing. We use that text evidence when we're using key details and information. And then down below, it's a pretty simple piece. It just says, and you can't see it, but you can see on yours, list 3 new words that you learned and what they meant. So we'll talk about how to write a word and its meaning. The cool thing is our text gives us words that are bold, and then it gives you the meaning oftentimes. Sound good? At this time, you guys can take out your reader, and I will let us kind of even look at the table of contents on your own and get yourself to chapter 4.